Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. So today I'm tackling this area. I'm going to be doing some touch-up. So there's marks on walls and things and cracks and whatnot. This side of the room isn't too bad because I did it in that cool paint which I talked about in my last video. You need to go check that out. This side was done in a different paint, which is like regular paint, and it's all a bit scuffed up and gnarly and stuff like that. So I'm going to be doing that, and I'm going to give the shower tray another coat, the final coat. Just needs one more in there, and then when that's dry I can silicone up all that in preparation for our new boiler coming. All this is done now. All looks good and spanky. Nice and clean. The bowl is loose, but it doesn't seem to go anywhere, and it seems to work. It doesn't leak or anything. It just kind of wobbles about, but I may change that at some point or come up with an idea of fixing it in. So basically today I'm working in this area, so I'm going to paint that wall, touch up some of the cupboards a bit. I'm going to sort out this area here because we changed some bits down here and there's some sticky stuff on there which I need to get off, and paint all of that. Paint all of this cupboard because it's all mucky, and touch up some of the bits around there. Clean the max air fan out as it needs doing, and then that'll be today. It is kin freezing outside. It's like 2 degrees I think. We woke up, it was minus, there was ice everywhere. Diesel heater is on. It's about 2 degrees outside. It is sunny as well, which is nice. We hopefully get some solar. What we're up to, we are up to, I don't know if you can see it. Is that the sun? I can't see it. Hang on. Pull that down a bit. Hang on. 16 degrees. So we're 16 degrees in here. 16 degrees in here. People do worry about me getting cold, or us getting cold. I know the family have said, oh, what are you going to do in the winter? You're going to be freezing. It's 16 degrees in here. Diesel heater's on 1, so I can turn it up. But it's alright, it's a nice temperature, and it is warming up as we go on as well. So, yeah, no problem. Diesel heaters. Winner, chicken dinner. Bingo mess. Whoo! I've just been outside. It is blimmin' freezing. The wind cuts you like a knife. I think it's about 2 degrees still outside. We are sitting at 20 degrees. 20 degrees in here. Diesel heater on 1. It's a 5 kilowatt diesel heater, which is brilliant. So yeah, no worries about being cold as long as the diesel heater keeps working, of course. It packs up. Woohoo! Brass monkeys! I couldn't resist. I painted everything. All the cupboards, all the walls, everything. Looks like brand new. Lovely jubbly. Yeah. It's like the day we moved in. See how long that lasts, eh? Another day, I haven't shaved. Do it later. Lovely sunny day. Look at that. Gorgeous. Yeah. Getting about 20 watts of solar out of the 300, but sun is low in the sky. You're not going to get much solar this time of year. Woke up, it was -3 outside. It was 6 degrees in here because we didn't have the heater on. Whacked the heater on, and now we're up to like 20 degrees. You can hear, might hear the Jenny. Jenny's outside the door. I won't let her in. She can stay out in the cold. So today, obviously we've done the kitchen, we've done the bathroom, we're in the living room. So it's already a bit of a mess, but we're going to be tidying up all of this, painting all of that, painting all around there, painting this here, down there, all around the door. We're going to sort that mess out, and in there. Shouldn't take too long. Shouldn't take too long at all. These cupboards up here, I was talking to Mrs H about it. This is in the old gloss. This side was done in the same paint as what we're using now. They have held up really well. They're a bit grubby. I could probably get away with cleaning them, but knowing me, I'll start painting and I'll be like, nah, screw it, let's just paint. So I might end up just painting all the faces of those and all the faces of those, just because, you know, and around here and stuff. And then you've got a door down there as well. So while I've got the paint out, I probably might as well, and then it'll all be spanky white and gleaming again. Kitchen looks nice and neat, and that one looks like that, so we're going to make sure that's all nice and tidy. And there's little bits of silicone around like the bottoms of the doors there and across there, which I'm going to do, and in the bathroom around the shower tray. So that's today. Bingo mass. And there we have it, all done. 3 days, not 3 full days, but 3 kind of semi days. All painted up, done all the silicone around the bottoms, all nice and neat. I did these doors, I did this door. I didn't do these doors because they're okay. And I didn't do the walls in here because they're okay. Biscuit's inspecting the work, aren't you, mate? But it looks a lot better. The silicone around the bottom, much better. And the trims and everything. Looks really cool. Love it. You love it, mate, don't you? Yeah, boy. And the shower tray all sealed up. Jubbly, jubbly, lubbly, jubbly. Obviously this down here is going to change because that controller is null and void, because with the new Bobble Vans heating system I've got a new controller panel coming. I'm probably not going to put it there, so I'm going to have to do something with that eventually. And that's my sort of temporary, but I don't know, we might just keep it like that outlet for the diesel heater, because it blows heat both ways down the van and it's not really in the way, so I might just make that a permanent fixture. But that's got to go. I don't think I want to put the new controller there. I want to put it up here on this wall, and we are going to get rid of the telly at some point. Hello? What's that going on? Oh, we are going to get rid of the telly at some point and put a projector up there to shine onto there. But that's in future. In the future. We're in the present. So anyway, yeah, if you're going to paint your van in any kind of paint, I recommend that paint. It's great paint. It dries really quickly. Touch dry. When I was doing these cupboards over here, it was touch dry within 10 minutes. So I was able to put the handles back on and stuff almost straight away. And I've already wiped some scuffs off from dirty shoes and stuff, and it's fine. Hasn't come off. It's really, really good stuff, and it stays white forever. A before and after. Hang on, let me put this light on here. Give you a better light. These cupboards were done today. These cupboards were done a year ago. And they're still in great condition, get used all the time, obviously, because it's got a close in. So they get opened several times a day and washed. So just to show you, it really does hold up. That good stuff. Bingo mass. That's the end of this video. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. God bless you. See you in the next one.